Come test drive the 2007 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, security system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.